In this video, I'm going to show you the facts behind MoneyBuilder, a product by Al Cheeseman and David Kirby on the Warrior Plus platform. I will show you what it is, some of the features and how they work, and I'm going to show you the total cost, including upgrades. Last, I will share my personal opinion about MoneyBuilder and explain to you why you should not waste your money and skip on buying it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Serge, and on this channel I give out tips and make reviews about products that I think are legit or useless to new marketers for making money online. If you are a marketer and new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I put out my latest tip and review video. And if you do like this video, please go ahead and click on the thumbs up button and leave a comment. That will help out greatly with the algorithm, and I would very much appreciate that. And now, let's begin. So, what is MoneyBuilder? According to the sales page, MoneyBuilder is claiming that you are 3 clicks away from 100% done for you sales funnel complete with buyer traffic in as little as 30 seconds. Okay, well, I bought this product with my own money so I can test it out. Let's see if I made a good choice, or will I regret doing this, hoping this product will deliver on its promises. So let's go check it out and see if it works as advertised. So now we are at the dashboard of MoneyBuilder, and here we have a couple options here, and the options are the page builder, the autoresponder, we have Post King, got the image editor, we have this 1,000 a day training, we have support, tutorial, and upgrade. Let's go check out the tutorial first. So here's the tutorial, and as you can see that some of these videos, especially the first video, MoneyBuilder overview and how to build a page, if we look at both these videos, they look exactly the same. Now, if I play this video, let me play this video. If you can see, this video is exactly 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Now, look at where we at on this area. Let me play the next video. 4 seconds in, and look, it's literally the same video. Now, if I fast forward that, let's say we fast forward this. Let's go 46 seconds in. Alright, here, let's do the same thing. Fast forward 46 seconds in. Look, exact same video. So this is really not optimized to give you good quality training. On top of that, when you play these videos, there is no narration. There's nobody telling you step by step how to use this product. How is it actually, how do you set up certain things, like the autoresponder and other things that needs to be set up. So this tutorial section really has no value or even is good quality for new marketers. Okay, now let's go to the page builder. I'm gonna click on page builder, and it's asking me to sign back into my account. So I already have my email address in there and the password, and I'm gonna click continue. Now we're seeing that these credentials do not match our records. How so? Because I purchased this product. See, I purchased this product. I purchased on June 20th, and this product went live on the 19th, yesterday, and today is the 20th. So this product should have been live. For some reason, I cannot access the paid version of the page builder of the product. Now, let's go see what they have for support. Now, let's go to support and see how can we resolve this. Okay, so you can submit a ticket and ask for your contact name, email, subject, and description. Okay, so I'm going to fill this out. Let me go ahead and put my name and information real quick, and then you pause the video right here. Okay, so I went and fill out this ticket, and I'm going to submit that. Let me put the product name, MoneyBuilder, BRR. And it says this product's not found. What about MoneyBuilder? There's no result for this product. So I can't submit a ticket for a product that they have no results of. Okay, so this is not good here. So how you gonna know, how they can help me if they don't know what product I'm submitting a ticket for, if it's supposed to be in their repository? So this is fishy here. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to something else. Let's go and check out the autoresponder. Let's see. Alright, so here is the autoresponder. Says you are not subscribed to any plan. So you need to subscribe to a plan in order to experience the application. You have a free plan here, starting at $0 for 20 years. Okay. Let's see. Select. See what we have here. Plan free name, so on and so forth. Proceed with payment. Okay, let's proceed with payment. And change plan, cancel plan. Okay, there is no sending it, server active. Okay, so how do I set up my autoresponder here? Okay, let's see. We got, okay, on above here we have the dashboard. Okay, let's see what the dashboard looks like. Alright, we have the dashboard here. Okay, we have the, let's see, campaigns. Okay, automation. Okay, lists. Templates. Alright, so with a sending server, so okay. Alright, so I'm not going to send a, so for me to use this, I have to have a list, and I have to import a list to this, and I don't have a list to import into this. And I'm not 100% sure how well are their email deliverability. Since this is a new product which was released yesterday, I would assume that their email deliverability is not that high. So this is not a autoresponder me as a new marketer would use. I would prefer to use something that's more that has a better reputation and has a proven record, such as Aweber. So Aweber has you have a free plan here from 0 to 500, and they have good email deliverability and a good track record as well. So for me as a new marketer, I would rather use Aweber compared to the MoneyBuilder autoresponder. And I will put a link down for Aweber in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, compare it to this. Next, let's check out posting. Let's see what we have here. So here is posting, where you can send to social media. You can send to Facebook, or Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Twitter, dashboard. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. Alright, so let's see what's after posting. Okay, let's go to image editor. And on image editor, here you could add an image. You see open photo and design to get started. Alright, let's try and add a photo and see what we can do with this. Alright, here's a simple photo. Alright, let's see what I can do. Let's see, draw. Okay. What else I can do? Let's see, add a frame. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. All right. Okay, now what else? What else can we do here? Transform, add stickers around the corners. Let's see, apply. Okay. That's not okay. That's not bad. The image editor. However, one thing I would do is compare the functionality of the image editor here with Canva. Okay, because Canva is one image editor that I like to use a lot, as well as Snappa, because you could do a lot with these graphic design image editors. So these are also free to use as well. So how well does the MoneyBuilder image editor does compared to these free image editors or design graphic design templates such as Canva and Snappa? So is it worth it to buy this product just for the image editor alone? Okay, and this frame, this nice picture frame isn't bad. So, however, this is not the main use of MoneyBuilder, right? It's supposed to be a page builder. So, and we can't use a page builder. So, let's go on to the next thing. All right, the last thing we're gonna check out here is the 1K a day training, and we'll see what this is. This is pretty much a training where you have to reserve a spot for webinar. See, this webinar takes place in 2 days from today. Okay, so this is pretty much the last option here on the dashboard. All right, now let's go over the costs of the product and all these upgrades. So we got the front end product, MoneyBuilder, for $17, or you can get the downsell version for $12. The next we have the MoneyBuilder Unlimited for $37, or we could get that for the downsell at $17. Next is OTO2, the MoneyBuilder Automation for $39, or you get that as a downsell for $29. Next, we got OTO3, the MoneyBuilder Done For You, at $197, or you could get that for a downsell for $67. Next, we got OTO4, the MoneyBuilder Campaigns for $39, or you get that for a downsell at $29. Next is OTO5, the MoneyBuilder Traffic on Tap for $197, or you get that as a downsell for $67. Next is OTO6, the MoneyBuilder Reseller for $39, or you get that for a downsell at $19. Next is OTO7, the MoneyBuilder Membership at $27, or you can get the downsell version for just $17. Next, we got OTO number 8, that is the MoneyBuilder 1000 Gold Mine at $27, or you can get that at a discount for just $17. Next, we got MoneyBuilder Profit Melter, and that comes at a cost of $17, or you get that for a downsell price at $13. So the total cost combined comes out between $287 on the low end and $636 on the high end. So what are my final thoughts about MoneyBuilder? So if you're a new marketer trying to make money online and you saw this product, I highly recommend that you do not buy this product. It has a lot of flaws and it will not help you at what it claims to be helping you do. How can they claim that MoneyBuilder is trusted by 5,700 marketers who host 17,500 plus website and has been visited by 2 million people when this was released yesterday? And on top of that, if they do have that many marketers who trust this system, this product, why their training or tutorial is so horrible? Why you don't have one of these marketers do the training? Why you don't have a video testimonial of a marketer that on their sales page that talks about this product, right? So that to me is very concerning. Recently, I just learned of a new way to find out how are these sales page created. And the way to find out is by going to this website called BuildWith. And this website shows you what elements are inputted in the sales page. So here's the web address for MoneyBuilder. So I'll put the link here. And the thing to look for is called the content management system. So if we go down this page and look for the content management system, which is right here, you will see that this website uses Convertri. And what the content management system is what kind of page builder that people use to create their pages, their landing pages. So Convertri is the website or the page builder that MoneyBuilder use, which tells me that these guys don't use their own product. They don't even use what they're trying to sell to create their own product, their own sales page. And they're telling you that you should not use paid subscription services because you're paying a monthly fee or a yearly fee. However, these companies have a bad reputation and has been out there for a lot longer than MoneyBuilder. And MoneyBuilder may not last for a long time. And with these pay service system, I know that they are constantly staying current and keeping everything updated so they can provide good value for their customers. I don't know if I could say the same thing for MoneyBuilder. Also, I like to add that for every element that MoneyBuilder is claiming that it can help with as a page builder, an autoresponder, posts, social media posts, and image editor, there are 3 to 4 alternative tools that you can use. For example, you could use Elementor to create a page builder. You could also use Aweber to also create a page builder as well as your autoresponder. And both these products are free to use. As far as the image editors, you could use Canva, and also you could use Snappa. And these tools are also free to use. And as far as social media posts, you could just go to the actual social media and post, like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And those are also free to use. So I don't see the purpose of purchasing this product when there are other elements that does it very well and also keep their stuff current and up to date compared to this product here. And I will put a link in the description below so you guys can check out these resources which I just named. And the last thing that I want to add is I would be very suspicious of anyone promoting this product or any type of product similar to this one and did not show you anything that I talked about in this video. This to me will be very concerning because it will tell me that whoever is promoting this product does not care about my success. Okay? So I would be very, very careful about who you listen to when it comes to making money online. And that, everyone, are the facts about MoneyBuilder. If you did purchase this product, please let me know in the comments, how has it worked out for you? Was there anything that I said that you disagree with and agree with? If you enjoyed and got a lot of value from this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest tips and reviews. And check out the description below to see all the resources I shared in the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.